welcome back to I's Punny Videos. Since schools are closed and we're all at home, I wanted to share a quick and fun recipe using everyday ingredients. We're going to be making strawberry cheesecake cupcakes, and they're delicious. You can bake these together at home with your family. Since we're in the middle of COVID-19, my first safety tip is wash your hands with soap for the whole ABCs before you start baking. Here are the ingredients for the crust. 3 graham crackers, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here are the ingredients for the filling. 1/3 cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of strawberry jam, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 egg, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a few drops of vanilla extract. Break your graham crackers into small pieces and put them into a food processor to make fine crumbs. You should roughly have 1/3 cup of fine crumbs, which will make 8 cupcakes. I've turned my oven on to 325 degrees Fahrenheit since it takes a long time to warm up. In the meantime, I'm going to mix my butter, my sugar, and my salt into my graham crackers and mix them with a fork until moistened. Mix your crumbs with the fork until well moistened. I've put cupcake holders into my cupcake pan. Now put 1 spoon of your graham cracker crumbs into each cupcake holder. I'm going to pat down my crumbs and put my crumbs into the oven for about 4 minutes so they can become crispy. Next, we're going to add our strawberry jam into a food processor and add a little water if your jam is thick. It should be like a puree. I've taken my strawberry puree out and I've cleaned my food processor. Now I'm going to put my cream cheese in and process it for about 3 minutes. My cream cheese is smooth. Now I'm going to add my sugar and process it for a few more seconds. My sugar is mixed. Now I'm going to add my sour cream, my vanilla, and my all-purpose flour and process it for a few more minutes. Now I'm going to mix my egg and process it for a few more seconds. I've asked my mom to take my graham cracker crumbs out of the oven and they're nice and crisp. Now I'm going to fill 3/4 of each cupcake with my cream cheese mixture and then put a few more drops of our strawberry puree and mix it with the toothpick. My cupcakes are ready to be baked. We're going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. I have asked my mom to take my cupcakes out of the oven and I've let them cool down for 10 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to keep my cupcakes in the fridge for overnight. But if you don't have time, you can just keep them for 3 hours before you enjoy your delicious dessert. My strawberry cheesecake cupcakes have been sitting in the fridge for several hours. Now I've took them out. Let's see how they are when I peel them. Looks like our graham crackers are not coming off, so that's good. That means we baked them and they're crisp. Please be very gentle when you peel them and don't peel them like how you would peel a cupcake, a regular one. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.